Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Pretty Miss Sheila for another recipe. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Sheila, and we're back again to do another recipe, and this time we are doing one for Easter.
Today we have a very special guest, our good friend and longtime player in Steve Hall Shotgun Red Show, David Jolley. And he's going to do an Easter breakfast for us this morning.
Yes.
Yes, he is.
Get with it, David, get with it.
Cranberry walnut French toast with country ham. This is what this cranberry walnut bread looks like when you buy it in the store. It's very dense and very good. And but I'm going to get the country ham started first. Just throw a little butter in there. Oops.
We're going to fry up some country ham.
Yeah, so we're going to get the sweet against the salty. I'll turn it off. That should be enough to get it going. And in this pan, butter.
All right.
And use butter, real butter. Look at here. French toast. Just a good old egg wash. Look at here.
You just dunk them in the eggs, and
Yeah.
that looks great.
We cook this for, I cook this stuff all the time, but we also cook it for company. And we can't get them to leave.
They don't want to go home.
Yeah. So I just turned the cast iron pan off. It's hot enough to cook this ham the rest of the way. So we'll put a little edge on this French toast
Okay.
and kind of hold that ham down where it keeps its form.
Nothing like having two skillets going at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So David Jolley is an amazing guitar player and banjo player, and he's got some great great music on his website. So if you get a chance, visit davidjolleymusic.com and listen to some of his wonderful music. He's an amazing player. Steve used to have him solo on the show, and featured him, and he has a great Christmas CD. I know it's a little early for Christmas, but those of you who are watching near Christmas, you'll definitely want to pick up his acoustic Christmas. It's wonderful. We used to laugh when we played the General Jackson. Everybody would come rushing up to buy his Christmas CD, so we started calling him Mr. Christmas. So,
Yeah. And on that Christmas CD is a picture of a beautiful snow-covered cabin. And if you want to help me pay off that house, you know what to do. The beauty of stuff like this is it's very simple, it's very quick, and some of it doesn't matter where you are on the economic scale. I mean, you can make really good food, really simple with ingredients, and not have to suffer.
it's tough to be an American, isn't it?
Okay?
You can tell we're ready.
You know. Our specialty is plates.
It's
Very
what we
good.
excel at, plates.
Can you balance them on a stick?
Don't try that.
Put one each.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be a very big piece of ham.
I see that.
Because it just, that taste is so intense that it can overpower the French toast.
Okay.
And so, one piece of toast,
Okay.
one piece of toast. Watch this. Use real soap, syrup.
Soap.
Soap.
And look
Don't
at
use
this.
soap, but use syrup.
So watch this. This is what I'm doing here. That syrup is picking up that butter. You're just warming it through. Throw some berries in there.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
You're just going to warm up the
You're
berries.
getting no.
Because you don't want the strawberries to turn into mush. So you're
Right.
just going to watch it.
You need another spoon there. That one went flying.
Yeah. So look at here. So we just kind of get it bubbling just a smidge. Oh, look at that. All right. Okay.
Don't hit me with that thing.
And you can, you know, if you really want to impress your friends, you can put a little piece of mint when you serve it.
So you're not going to impress us?
I don't have any mint.
She's still impressed.
I'm very impressed. When I got a plate in my hand, I'm impressed. Don't care what it is.
Okay, so I've got the syrup bubbling. I'm going to turn it off
Okay.
and just kind of get those berries to pick up some of the heat. I won't try to flip it again. All right, so here you go. Here's your topping.
Put that over there. Oh, that looks so good. So the warm syrup and the warm berries and everything just right on top of that. Doesn't that look great?
And what did you say you called this?
Cranberry walnut French toast with country ham. That should do you.
Oh wow, so
Take
that
a
looks
bite of
so good.
So you get those crunchy walnuts, and in with the tart cranberries. Then you got that sweet, sweet syrup and blueberries. And
Wow.
then when you get all sugared
Right.
up, you grab you some of that salty country ham.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. David Jolley, you got it going on.
It's just another day in the life.
Wow,
You're really surprising us.
that is really good. You hungry?
No, actually not.
Do you want to eat some of
I had
this?
it for breakfast.
You had this at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock?
Probably 5.
Wow.
But,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it the contrast good?
If this
This
is not
not
the
the
best,
Cranberry walnut French toast with country ham and strawberries and blueberries. Real maple syrup.
if it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks for watching. Once again, make sure you visit davidjolleymusic.com and check out his website and his fabulous CDs. And we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Well, David, tell us that one good one you know.
I know you know a drug of some sort.
Okay, let me think about this. Guy walks into a bar and he's got a dog with him. Sits it right on the bar. And the bartender says, "You can't bring a dog into this bar." And he said, "But it's a CNI dog." He goes, "It's a Chihuahua." He goes, "They gave me a Chihuahua?"
Don't forget to visit shotgunred.com.
We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.